In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about setting up forms branching in Asana. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create dynamic, responsive forms that adapt based on the user's input, ensuring that you're collecting the precise information you need. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your Asana project where you want to gather responses. You'll start by adding a form to this project. Navigate to the Customize section on the project's page, and then click on Forms. From there, you'll see an option to Add Form. Select this to launch the form builder. Next, it's time to add your questions. The form builder offers various types of questions, including multiple choice, short text, drop-downs, and more. Think about the information you need from respondents and frame your questions accordingly. Using a mix of question types can be very effective in ensuring you gather detailed and relevant responses. Once you've added your questions, you'll want to set up branching rules. Branching allows your form to dynamically change based on how someone answers a particular question. For example, let's say you have a multiple choice question. You'll need to select the branching option for this question. Then, you'll assign specific follow-up questions that will only appear if a particular answer is selected. As an illustration, you might have a question asking if the respondent has prior experience with a specific tool. If they answer yes, you can set up your form to display additional questions about their experience, while if they answer no, the form skips these extra questions entirely. This ensures that users are only prompted for information that's relevant to their prior responses, keeping your form clean and to the point. After setting up your branching logic, it's crucial to review the flow of your form. Asana offers a preview feature, which allows you to see how your form will function in action. Pay close attention to whether the branching works as intended and ensure that your questions appear in a logical order. If anything seems off, you can always go back and adjust the sequence to improve the user experience. Finally, when you're happy with the setup, it's time to share your form. Asana generates a link for your completed form. Simply copy this link and share it with your team or clients. They can then fill out the form and submit their responses. Conveniently, each response appears as a task in your Asana project, making it easy to track and manage input directly within your existing workflow. And that's it! You've now successfully set up branching in your Asana forms. This feature is a fantastic way to streamline the data collection process, ensuring you're capturing the most relevant information without unnecessary clutter. Feel free to experiment with branching in different scenarios to maximize your form's efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful!